they're calling for. So hoping that helps. So I'm gonna try and get some walleyes, maybe some perches, some pike. So yeah. So there, I put up the tent. I'm just gonna pop the roof up when I go in. So I'll be back right after I drill some holes in the shack, drill a hole in the shack. Then I'll show you when I drill it out here. There we go. The hole there, I'll just have to go set it up. So I got about that much ice. So, yeah. So here's I set my minnow. I hook it through the back, just by the dorsal fin or in front. Yeah. Try something a little different today. Having my sinker up a bit compared to being only 6 inches away from the hook. So yeah. As you see here, I'm only about halfway down. Turn the game up. And there we go. Gonna try that. So I'll be back if I have any more updates, or if I catch any more. I got one on. First drop of the day, actually. Small. Oh my. It's a baby. Just a little baby. Little baby Walter. And there he goes. So I got something on, that's nice. Okay. I got him like halfway up the water column. Oh, great. Keeper already. I forgot my measuring tape, so I'm going to have to use my multi-tool measuring tape. It only does 5 centimeters at a time. But that might be a keeper. I'll be right back when I can get the pliers out. And I get the hook out. So yeah. So I got the hook out. Hey. 1 second. On my knees. So 5 right there. 10, 15, 20, 25. So after using this, it's determined he's 42 centimeters, which is legal. So I went from tip of nose. I used my finger. If I could, I would have videoed it, but since Tom is here, I can't. And yeah, my hand's bleeding. But yeah, so he's 42 centimeters. He's a nice keeper. So yeah, so I have a fish following my line all the way up. See if I can get him to go at it. Come on. Oh, lost him. Don't see him anymore. Huh. Let's see. Oh, there's a mark. Buddy. Oh, got him. There we go. Hooked up. Just a little guy, not even worth measuring. So, there we go. Not even worth measuring, just a little walleye. And there he goes. I got one on again. Well, that's nice. Feels heavier than the last one. Oh, oh, it's a pike. You know, let him settle down there. I'll put him back. He's small. And there's the pike. That's a little guy. I'll put him back. Hey. There he goes. So I set a bite on this line. Oh, not there. Just checked it too. So. Huh. Hit twice when I was in a shack. When I came in here from checking outside line, this guy got a bite. So I'll leave the door open for a bit. outside line down. Huh. Oh, got him. Or dead. It's a perch, I think. Huh. It was a big whiteout earlier to the point I couldn't even see the shore. Oh, I'm marking something down there now. Come on. Something charging it. There. He got it. Oh no, I lost him. Huh. I'll be back if I have any more bites, catch any fish, or have any updates. So I have a mark on the screen. Camera angle. Oh, back. I'd say about an hour since my last fish. Lots of marks, but they aren't really hitting right now, so. And yeah, there's still snow. It's still snowing outside, but it's not like earlier. I can actually see. So yeah. So a little update is not catching much. It's been pretty quiet. So I've been marking them, but they're more sticking to the bottom. I haven't been really getting them up high at all. So yeah. That's a little update for now. So it's back to snowing heavy, but I can still see. So that's good. So yeah. So I got a fish on. He's biting right now. Feels like a perch. Well, maybe not. Ooh, that's heavier. No, head shakes. Leave my coffee alone, buddy. Oh, it's a fat pike. Oh, that's all. I was not expecting catching another pike today. It's typically perch walleye spot. I'll put him back. Don't feel like cleaning a pike tonight, so. Oh, there's my minnow. Yeah, there he is. There's a little guy. And there he goes. He's on a bite. There we go. Oh, that's nice. Yep. Ooh. Another eye. Well, it's probably a keeper, but I'll let him go. He's a little skinny, so that's him. So he's a little skinny, so I'll let him go. Trying to get a bigger one. So all I was doing, I just was resting my line on the bottom while I was eating some fish from the other day that I cooked up. And I see my rod tips are bouncing. And then yeah, so he gave a pretty good fight, especially for a walleye. Yep, still waiting for a bite outside. So yeah, so the update is not really catching much, marking tons of them, but they aren't really wanting to bite right now. So they aren't super aggressive. And yeah, so outside line, I put a new minnow on and all, check the with the Vexler, and everything's where I wanted, and they aren't taking it. So don't know what's up with it. So yeah, I'll be back if I catch anything. So I got a bite. Got him. Oh, okay. So Wally's head shaking. And there we go. Caught a Walter. Oh. Come on, give me the hook, buddy. Come on. Last hook is stuck in there pretty good on him. Oh. There we go, just a little guy. And there he goes. So, up again. Oh, lost him. He dropped it. Come on. Oh, got one again. Oh, man. He picked it up. Oh. There we go. Oh, man. Oh, he's chasing it. Come on, buddy. You know you want it. Hmm. Oh, there he is again. Let's get him chasing. Oh, there he goes. Come on, chase it, chase it, chase it. Gotta go down the bottom for him. Oh yeah, there's two of them there. On the bottom. Raise up. Yeah. I'll do chicken that way. Had the OPP out here. They stopped by, checked out what I was doing. So yeah. Really good guys, it seemed like. You know you want it. Don't go down, go up. Oh, now he's chasing it. Outside line hasn't been doing much today. Had that one or two bites on it at the start. Other than that, nothing. He's gonna just drop on bottom. Leave it on the bottom for a little bit. I've been getting the bite on bottom. So, trying that. Yeah, I'll be back if I can hook him. So, yeah. Outside line is going down. Oh, frick, I think he popped off. Went down and then went right back up. Shoot. Yep. Back. So checked my minnow is still there. So yep. Went down and then right back up. enough snow out here. So wind. Oh, got a mark. Oh, there's one. There we go. It's a pickerel. Its head shakes. Oh, might be my limit there. I'm not sure. Hey. Looks bigger in the water. It's a fat one. He might be over actually. I was hoping I was going to whitefish or whatever. Never caught one, but missed two last year. Right at the hole. There we go. That's him there. Be back up. So he's legal. So I will keep him. So that's my limit on pickerel. So I'll go for pike and whitefish and perch. So yeah. So I'm hooked up. Oh, I still got him. It popped out. Might have been perch. Never mind, you know you want it again. I was leaving on bottom, and then, well, a few taps I lifted up, but missed them. I'm gonna check if I saw a minnow. Yes, I do. Oh, got one on the bottom. It's coming off. Right to my line. Go on bottom. So I'm gonna move my heater 3 times. So I've been having a high, just moved down to medium because it melted the top layer of ice off of this just white ice. Melted all off. So yeah, decided I'd move it up there. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a board or whatever to put the heater on from now on, I think. So yeah, even though there is 10 inches of ice, I just don't want to take that chance. So yeah, hooked up. here. There we go. It's small. Small little walleye. Okay. That's him here. Just a little guy. Oh, come on. Go in. And there he goes. So basically, my phone is dying because of cold, so I'm keeping it in my pocket so it stays warm. So it slowly gains battery. Right now at 5%. So what you guys have missed, I caught 2 walleye on my outside line, and yeah, I threw them back. They're like too small, and plus I have my limit. So yeah. So I'm packing my tent, and I decided to come over here and cut a little burbot. I'm going to have to keep him. The hook is all the way down there in his throat. So, got to keep him. That's my first ever burbot. So, yeah. So, that concludes the day of fishing right now. So, yeah. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and share this video. And, yeah. Have a good day.